Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. It's from section 5.4. It's number 28 out of the book. You have an 18 pack of soda. Three of them were filled with regular soda by accident, and then the other 15 are diet. So you got a total 18 cans of soda within a pack, and 3 are regular and 15 diet. You want to find the probability of 1 diet and 1 regular. Well, the order wouldn't matter. Do you get the diet? Do you grab the diet one first, then regular, or vice versa? So we got to do this twice. So the probability of getting the diet first and then the regular would equal the probability of diet times probability of regular. Well, you have 15 diet cans out of 18 total. Then regular, you have 3 cans, but you've already picked one, so there's only 17 left. So if you multiply, that'd be 45 over 306, comes out to 0.14706. Now you want to reverse the order. What if you got the regular, then the diet? Well, that'd be probability regular times probability of diet. There were 3 regulars out of 18. There's 15 diet. And now if you've taken one out of the pack, there's only 17 left. And so if you multiply, you get the same number. And then if you add those two numbers, you get 0.29412, and you're asked to round to 4 places, so we'll drop that one off. Hope this helps.